Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a jellyfish. That's right, we're going to draw a cute jellyfish. This jellyfish will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the jellyfish head, which is also known as the bell. We are going to draw a half circle for its bell. Feel free to make jellyfish's bell bigger or smaller. Next, we will draw in the bottom of the jellyfish's bell. Let's draw in a row of connected semicircles. Let's draw in 2 circles for the eyes. Inside each of the bigger circles, let's draw in 2 smaller circles and fill in the gaps with our black marker. This will make the eyes sparkle more and also make the jellyfish look super cute. For its mouth, I'm going to draw a small W. Now we are ready to start drawing the jellyfish tentacles. Let's draw in some wiggly lines for the tentacles. Some of the tentacles will be long and some of them will be short. Next, I'm going to switch to my color markers to draw in some extra tentacles. Isn't it so cute already? Feel free to change up the colors. Have fun and choose a combination of different colors that you like. Isn't coloring so much fun? I'm going to use my orange marker next to color in the bell of the jellyfish. I'm going to leave some white spots on the top of the jellyfish's bell. Later on, I'm going to color in those spots with a different color marker. Adding patterns to the jellyfish bell makes it so much more interesting. You can also change it up to a different pattern, such as hearts or stars. If you want a challenge, you can add on more accessories for your jellyfish. It can be a colorful hat or a long scarf. Feel free to use a few different colors to add a splash of colors to your jellyfish accessories. Doesn't it look fantastic already? It looks so awesome. Wow! Look at our amazing little jellyfish. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as bubbles or some seaweeds. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of jellyfish in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the jellyfish. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice. So keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.